Today, I'll show you how to delete a website in GoDaddy using Managed WordPress. If you've decided you no longer need a site or you're cleaning up old projects, this walkthrough will help you remove it safely and confidently. We'll move through each action slowly and clearly so you know exactly what you're doing at every step. Before we start, it's important to understand what deleting a website actually means. When you remove a managed WordPress site in GoDaddy, you're getting rid of the WordPress installation associated with that specific site. That includes the site's content, themes, and plugins on that managed WordPress instance. If there's anything you might want later, like text, images, or design settings, make sure you back those up or download copies before you continue. Once the site is removed, it's very difficult and sometimes impossible to bring it back exactly as it was. Let's begin at your GoDaddy account. First, sign into your account the way you normally do, and then head to your My Products page. This is the central hub where all of your GoDaddy services live, including domains, hosting, and managed WordPress sites. If you have a lot of products, take a moment to scroll and locate the Managed WordPress section. It might be a little lower on the page if you have multiple services. In this video, you'll learn how to work specifically within that Managed WordPress section. Once you find it, look for the option that says Manage All. This is usually on the right side of the Managed WordPress heading. Click Manage All to open the dashboard where GoDaddy lists each of your Managed WordPress websites. You should now see a list of your WordPress sites, usually displayed with their site names and possibly a small preview or URL. Take your time here and double check that you're focusing on the correct site. Deleting the wrong one could cause problems, especially if it's a live or important website. If needed, you can open the site in another tab to confirm it's the one you intend to remove. Next, find the three vertical dots next to the site you want to delete. These three dots often appear to the right of the site name and are sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those dots and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Settings. This will take you into the detailed settings page for that specific managed WordPress site. On the settings page, you'll see various sections and options related to that site, such as general information, tools, and other management features. For now, you can ignore most of those. What you're looking for is near the bottom of the page. Scroll all the way down until you reach the section that contains the option to remove the site. I'll show you the easiest way to finish this. Once you reach the bottom, look for the Remove Site button. When you click Remove Site, GoDaddy will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. Read any warning messages carefully to make sure you understand that this action is permanent for that managed WordPress installation. If you're absolutely sure, confirm the removal. After a short moment, the site will disappear from your managed WordPress list, and that means it has been successfully deleted. That's all there is to it. You've now removed a website in GoDaddy using managed WordPress safely and step by step.